Turn your skills into real income by using Zapaey, a platform where talents get seen and your portfolio costs nothing to build. Whatever you create, maybe you are a developer, or you write or film, code, or manage, whatever you do, this is your space. Now, people search for your service every day and they're looking for someone just like you. So publish your gig here and get discovered, and there are so many clients or so many buyers out there for you. And if creating a gig on this platform feels really tricky and you don't know how to do it, well, then this video is just for you. So first, download Zapaey on your smartphone. It is available both for Android as well as iOS. Don't worry, all these steps that I'm going to show you in this video can be done with your phone as well, so there's nothing to worry about. Alright, so first of all, sign up with your credentials, verify, and then log into your account. Alright, so once we are logged into our account, we will click on Post Service. So here's a quick breakdown of the plans that we have. The free plan lets you post one basic gig and access simple analytics. The $30 basic plan boosts you to 3 gigs, a featured badge, and auto-renew every 48 hours. The $100 Pro plan increases visibility with up to 10 gigs, and you have verified badges, advanced analytics, and higher search ranking, which is something really great. And for maximum exposure, you can go for the $499 Elite plan, which offers up to 100 gigs, premium badges, top search placement, full branding tools, priority job access, and VIP support. So pick the plan that fits right for you and then hit the Get Started button, which is right here. This is the page where you can post a brand new service. At the top, you will fill out the general details, starting with your service title, selecting the correct category, choosing your delivery time, response time, etc. You can also create packages for your service, so that's great. For that, choose packages under, price type section. Once that is done, enter a name for your package, followed by other details like description, delivery time, revisions, more features, and lastly, the price. You can also add more packages if you want. Once that is done, right below that you can write a full description of your service using the built-in text editor, which includes formatting and any important details that clients should know about. In the next section, you'll set your location by entering your city and address, or you can simply drag the marker on the map to pinpoint your service area. After that comes the media section, which is something very important. This is the place where you can upload all your images, videos, or documents to visually present your work and make your service look more attractive and more authentic. It shows that you really know your work. Remember guys, the more professional and high quality your images and videos are, the more likely you're gonna get orders from potential clients. So please make sure to keep a note of it. Then you have other options to add extra services where you will enter your tags. These are the tags that will help you to appear in the relevant search, and so this is something very important. And lastly, we have FAQs related to your service. The more FAQs that you have, the more professional your profile looks, so make sure you at least enter 3 FAQs for your service. Once you have reviewed all the information that you have entered and everything looks complete, click Save and Preview. Now you can take a look at the final preview of your gig, and if there's anything that you want to edit, then click on Edit Service button right here. But if you're happy with your gig and you're just done with it, then click on Submit Service. Next, enter your billing details and finally click on Place Order. Alright, after that is done, your service will be verified, and this can take up to a few hours, so make sure you just wait or enjoy a cup of coffee while you wait there. Once that is done, your gig is live, as you can see, and is ready to attract potential client. If we just click on the gig, we can see that the gig appears like this and it just looks pretty professional and polished. Well, in this way, you can create your very own professional gig on Zapaey. If you have any doubts or problems or any questions, then please let us know. We would love to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.